When we thought of e-conceptual, right, the first branch that being an orthopedic surgeon I thought was of conceptual orthopedics. Way back in 2016 end and 17 beginning. And I was very clear from the beginning that this is going to be an online app where we can have all the senior teachers training young budding orthopedic surgeons and practitioners, the art and craft of medical science, the orthopedics. You know, in 2019, when after the perseverance and requesting all my teachers, going on from Professor Dr. Sudhir Kumar sir, because he was the first one to say yes to it. Then Professor Dr. Tuli sir, Professor Dr. Anil Dhal sir and Professor Bhasin sir. They agreed in sequence. I was in Kolkata when me, my friend Harpreet and Ashish, we are batchmates, and we had gone for IOCON there in 2019. We were in the hotel room where we said, let's roll this. And I remember Harry and Ashish saying, let's do it, Mehra. And then I wrote a mail to one of my favorite speakers, Harsha Bhogleji, and I requested him for permission of one line which he would often speak for the great Sachin Tendulkar. The line that Harsha Bhogle would often speak is, with a touch of class and a stamp of authority, for the state drive that Tendulkar would often play, right? And I requested him, sir, can I use this line for which a product that we are creating for the young orthopedic surgeons? And you won't believe, Harsha Bhogleji was very kind enough to give me permission, and he wrote back the mail within a few minutes, of course. And as when we were developing conceptual orthopedics, the second line which we thought of, which was into my mind, was that aim is not to live forever, but aim is to create something else. And we are very, very proud that in 5 years we have reached to a level that we can say that we are dropped in this vast ocean of knowledge. We are a drop, but we are a drop. And here comes a line which I always say, छोटा हूँ तो क्या हुआ, हूँ मैं आंसू एक, सागर जैसा स्वाद है, चख कर तो देख. It's been throughout, every Indian would often develop or rear into a branch thinking about referring to a textbook written abroad. But in conceptual orthopedics, we were very sure that we are going to fly the Indian flag high. And then our team of great teachers, right? Trauma by Dr. Shailesh Pai sir, Basic Sciences by Dr. Ravinder Dimri sir, Blessings of Professor Shantaram Shetty sir, and the way he speaks, it engages you so much. And Professor Ajit Kumar sir, they just into it. They are not somebody who will just try to complete a thing. They will try to create to the next level. Conceptual Orthopedics was launched on 2nd April 2020. Why will you release an app on 2nd April? 2 reasons. 1st April, nobody would believe you're trying to create something like this, right? And 2nd April, very simple. India won the World Cup on 2nd April 2011. That's close to my heart.
India lift the World Cup. After 28 years, the parties start in the dressing room.
But we thought about it. The first recording was done on 20th December 2019. I can never forget that day when me and Professor Dr. S.M. Tuli, with his blessings, did the first recording on spine examination. And then on 27th December, we did the second recording. And then it went on and on and on and on. कहते हैं ना, मैं तो अकेला ही चला था, लोग जुड़ते गए और कारवां बनता गया. And look at the way we have been blessed by our teachers. So beautiful. It is so soulful, so enriching to see such senior faculties being ready for everything. You want to develop Vidya Jeevan as an offline center where you can do conceptual programs. The teachers will say, Professor Dr. Dhal will say, I will like to go and choose the screen, will try to choose the mic. And this is the energy, you know, the tiles, the things, everything, brick by brick, built by heart for you, you know. And the line that I use for all these legends is, right, माना कि चुपचाप खड़े रहते हैं, जो लोग बड़े होते हैं वो बड़े होते हैं। हमारी महफिल सजती है उन लोगों से जिनके कदमों पे कई ताज पड़े रहते हैं। You know, this is something which I want to tell you. They are just the next level. And you know, and conceptual orthopedics turning into e-conceptual, with conceptual surgery coming with equally beautiful teachers, with conceptual anesthesia coming with the energy of my friend Saurabh and Janvi being the heart and soul of it. You know, these are the things that kept on building it, and then conceptual going on to the next level with more and more branches coming up, with gynae ops by Dr. Rana ma'am, then coming on with psychiatry by Dr. Praveen, then coming on with medicine by Dr. Dilip sir. But I believe then somebody walked in and created one of the best beautiful apps amongst conceptuals, conceptual radiology by Dr. Zainab Vora. If you ask me, to be very honest, my heart and soul will always be towards conceptual orthopedics. But of my favorites, the way it has been built is anesthesia and radiology. They have been beautifully constructed. Obviously, medicine, gynae and surgery, if you are not going on to it, you're missing something. And I believe psychiatry is building up huge and beautiful. Each branch is us. Each branch is something which engages you more and more. And you know, here comes a line, you know, where I want to convey, right? If you really have to stop me, you will really have to finish me. But even then, you cannot finish what I have started. The conceptual is a revolution to create better clinicians, better surgeons, better academicians. And the only thing I see here is it's an exponential multiplication. One day, we are not far off from saying, did you read it from conceptual? If not, you must have missed something big. So the line which I want to conclude this video is very simple, right? What you might find anywhere else, you will definitely find it here. But what you will find here, you will find nowhere else. And thank you very much. This is Dr. Apurv Mehra. I am the founder of eConceptual. Thank you very much.